Please subscribe for more awesome and healthy tips. Hello friends, today we will talk about world's best hair fall shampoo, which is Arnica Montana Shampoo. What does make it special? SBL's Arnica Montana Herbal Shampoo is a well-balanced formulation of herbal extracts like arnica, jaborandi, calendula, cantharis, and china to control dandruff, strengthen the hair, protect against hair loss and split ends. It works wonderfully to keep your hair clean, soft, manageable, and healthy. It works hard to remove dandruff and maintains natural oil balance in your scalp. Arnica Montana Shampoo helps to regain the natural shine of your hair and is most safe and effective product. Shampoo has a very pleasant fragrance. It cleans your hair and scalp from dirt and chemicals when exposed to environment. Ingredients of SBL Arnica Montana Shampoo. Arnica Benefits. Usage of arnica extract rejuvenates your scalp and stimulates the hair follicles, helping to strengthen your hair and preventing it from falling prematurely. Arnica is combined with other ingredients like calendula and jaborandi in homeopathic Arnica Montana shampoos to provide soft and manageable hair. Jaborandi Benefits. The jaborandi plant leaves are a rich source of alkaloid compounds which are present as tiny dots on its surface. The Brazilians use jaborandi herbal tea for its benefit as a diuretic and perspiration-inducing properties, glandular stimulant, and is popular in their traditional folk medicine. Jaborandi hair oil benefits by way of scalp nourishment, hair follicular stimulation, strengthening hair roots and preventing premature graying, and therefore finds popular place in hair treatment. Thuja Benefits. Thuja is yet another wonderful homeopathic medicine for general hair fall, which is usually accompanied by white, scaly dandruff. Thuja is also one of the best homeopathic medicines for hair regrowth when the hair get dry, along with getting thin. Calendula Benefits. The flowers of Calendula officinalis, also known as marigolds, are rich in minerals and antioxidants. Calendula oil applied to the scalp promotes growth of stronger hair by increasing collagen production and circulation in hair follicles. Use calendula alone or in combination with another moisturizing oil. How to use Arnica Montana Shampoo. Take little shampoo on your palm and gently massage on your scalp till foam is formed. Leave it for a minute or two and rinse with fresh water. Arnica Montana Shampoo should be used at least once a week. After washing with Montana Shampoo, the hair will have bounce, shine, and a pleasant aroma. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe for more awesome and healthy tips.